parents, let's help your child get active with their 5 senses. Let's play in nature. Move away from screen time with Bloozey and awaken your child's senses. Hey, I have an idea. Let's watch Bloozey in nature.
Hey kids, let's go on a nature walk. Let's do it. Hey, what do I see? Hey, it's a tree. Hey, what do you smell? I'm smelling. I smell a flower. Hey, kids, what can you touch? Touch. I could touch a cloud. I could touch a cloud. Hey, kids, what can you taste? I can taste the strawberry. I'm eating the strawberry. Hey, kids, what do you hear? Hey, I hear some birds. And the birds are up in the tree. Oh, I hear birds up in the tree. Hey, nature is so much fun. Come play with me in nature.